everyone, it's Louise with Louise DecoArt, and I'm here to have another play date with myself and you. And I'm just gonna mess around today and do some more swipes. And today's idea is a simple thing. This is a recycled canvas, it's a 12 by 12. I'm just gonna lay down the black coating, black base coat. Really been enjoying the black lately. Here's the consistency. It still might be a little thick. I might add a little more water before I lay it down. And then I've got in my lineup, I've got my Red Oxide from Liquitex. This is DecoArt's Festive Green. This is a combination of DecoArt's Gold and Golden's Iridescent Gold. This is DecoArt's Metallic Cobalt Blue. This is Liquitex's Aqua Blue. And this is Artist's Loft Metallic Blue, and I added a little dash of the DecoArt's Sapphire to lighten it up a little bit. And that's the lineup. And my idea is simply lay down the base coat with the black, lay some of these colors around in a circle type of thing, not necessarily solid color, and then swipe it out using my vinyl protectors. And we'll see what we get. It's just another fun day, pour day. And I will point out though that my inspirations for all the swipes is primarily rooted in Kathleen Osmore from Cause Creations. If you haven't checked her out, you definitely need to. Another person is Courtney Holscher, who apparently was Kathleen's mentor and inspiration, who's no longer active on the YouTube network, but she still has art up and videos. And the other one is Pouring Your Heart Out, who is really good with swipes and really fun to watch. So those are my inspirations for all the swipes, and got to give credit where credit is due. All right, I'm gonna get you down the canvas and we'll get started. All right, I'll be back in a second. Got my canvas laid, the base coat laid, I mean, and I forgot to mention I do have Golden's Pearl here, and this is the consistency. And so with all these colors here, let me get started with layering. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a small circle in the middle, and we'll see what happens. I have an idea of what I might be doing, but you know how things are in acrylic paint pouring. You have to stay fluid, because anything can happen at any time. Let's see. So my last color I'm going to put down is the pearl, because I want to pull the pearl through everything. Let's do this. And also part of the reason why I'm doing this kind of thing is because I want to get through these paints. Oh darn, I went too close to the middle. I probably have too much paint. Well, this is one way to fix that. Just use the stick. All right. Throw a little aqua in there. Yeah, last day of school. Sorry, I've got to compete with the school again. Unbelievable. They're singing their anthem now. Guess I'll be voicing over this part. Okay, so let me blow this out a little bit. Oh, I kind of like that effect. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that for now. Now, I was going to have pearl in the middle, but maybe... I guess I'm going to still. All right, now let's, I'm going to just try something. Okay. All right, let's just play. See what we get. Let's start a little thicker than that. Let's, here are my tools of choice today. Let's, hope you enjoyed the Bobcat Serenade across the street. Let's go with something a little smaller. And, this is good. All right, here we go. I forgot to torch. Let me torch. Okay, so because of competing PA announcements from the school, and for the interest of time, I'm going to pick this up in double time and let you watch me swipe in 2 times the speed. You can see what I'm doing, and it saves everybody a little time here. So this is where we are now. And my question is whether I'm going to add stars. I got to think about that for a second. Oh, that's cool. I love these stars. Stars are cool. That's enough star. Oh, a little more over here. Video. But I'm liking this guy. Let me take you down for a second. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to, please subscribe and hit all. And you'll be kept up to date with all the latest videos I upload. Leave comments as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye-bye till next time.